Hey guys, so this video is a video that I want to record every single year at the end of Aaliyah's birthday. So I am currently 32 years old. My daughter is in this video 2 years old, a day before her birthday. And I wanted to record this because every year I'd like to see her progress through her life. It'd be cool just to kind of have documentation of how old I get as she gets older and how she develops as a personality. So this video is just really raw, very little edit, and I just want to capture her personality through the entire video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I'll produce some more videos in the coming days. Okay. Okay, come on. Do you see yourself? Here, come back over here. I need to record you. Come here. Stand up, stand up. Stand up, please. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up, up. Stand up. Can you stand up for me?
Where am I?
You're too low. You have to stand up. Come on. Wow. All right, Aaliyah, come here. Come here, come here. Oh my goodness. This is 2-year-old Aaliyah. I'm trying to record the 10 questions I ask her every year. And as you can see, it's quite difficult. I'll be right back. Alright, Aaliyah. Are you ready?
No.
For the 10 questions? Please. Okay, ready? Stand you right here. Say hi to the camera. Yeah. Okay. Aaliyah, you're 2 years old. You're 2 years old, right?
And put the headband on Papa.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a few questions, okay? I'm gonna ask you 10 questions.
Timber.
What's your name?
Timber. Timber baby.
What's your name?
Timber baby.
No, be serious. Come on.
No, Timber.
Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Can I get the questions out of you? So basically the plan is every year I want to ask her the same 10 questions all the way until she's super old. As long as I can film these. And I want to record at the end of her age. So in this case, she turns 3 tomorrow. So I want to ask her as a 2-year-old what she experienced in the last year. As a 2-year-old. Okay, Aaliyah, one more thing. Ready? What's your name?
Doogie Doogie.
Your name is Doogie Doogie. What's your favorite color?
Purple.
It's purple?
Yeah.
It's purple all of a sudden. As of today, it's purple. And what's your name?
Green little color.
Okay, we can't do this right now. It's just not gonna work. Do you want to film with me or no? Do you want to film? You want to record this? We gotta get your birthday, man. Upside down, baby. Upside down, baby.
Louder.
After I ask you all the questions. Okay?
Papa, can you turn it out louder now?
After the questions.
Papa.
Hold on.
Dibbity zombie. Papa, I said dibbity zob. Dibbity zob, done.
Okay, Aaliyah. What is your name?
Aaliyah.
What's your name?
Aaliyah.
What's your name?
Aaliyah, Sango, call me Aaliyah.
Aaliyah Bia? He calls you Aaliyah Bia?
Yeah.
Okay. How old are you?
2.
2.
No.
2. Show me 2.
2.
That's not 2. Show me 2.
I'm not 2.
How old are you? What's that?
3.
You're 3 already? We've been telling her 3 all the time. She's celebrated about 3 or 4 different birthdays already. Okay. What's your favorite food?
Strawberry.
What's your favorite color?
Red like a strawberry.
Red like a strawberry. What's your favorite show? What do you like to watch?
I like to watch the cat.
The cat? What show is that?
A cat.
Some cat show? What's your favorite toy?
Turtle.
Which one? The turtle?
Yeah.
Your favorite toy is the turtle?
Yeah.
You're so weird. What's my name?
Papa.
I'm Papa. Okay, what'd you do today?
I love you.
You love me? What else did you do today?
And then upside down turtle.
Upside down turtle. What else did you do?
Some more upside down turtle.
More upside down turtle.
Upside down turtle papas. Upside down turtle mommies.
What do you want to do when you grow up?
I want to be Elsa.
You want to be Elsa?
I want to be alive.
Want to be Elsa?
Yes, I want to be alive.
On your birthday. Who do you love? What? Say it. Who do you love?
Papa.
Papa, I love you. I love you.
Strawberry kiss.
Strawberry kiss. She's eating strawberries. I love you, I said.
Here's strawberry.
Baby, I said I love you.
I love you.
Forever.
Strawberry bite.
I said I love you forever.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, can you say bye? Can you say
Bye, strawberry.
This is 2-year-old Aaliyah.
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah Bia, apparently what Sean calls her. Oh my goodness. Her answers are different from usual. Her favorite color and her favorite food are pretty much the same. Her favorite show is usually Peppa Pig, and her favorite toy is Peppa Pig usually too. But she's watching some cat show right now on her iPad, so she's saying her cat. She's pretty good at describing.
I'm not watching cat. I'm watching a candy show.
You got a candy show? Oh, it is a candy show now. Her answer on what she wants to do when she grows up is pretty much the same. And she's usually faster about saying she loves me. Well, you're so silly. Every time I turn the camera on, she's silly. Okay, you want to say goodbye until next year?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say see you next year?
Next year.
Yeah. Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Strawberry fingers. I know this video is very abnormal from what the channel usually does, but I wanted to have a platform to document and kind of hold in a time vault or a time capsule of her progress throughout her life. This is Aaliyah being 2 years old. I want to thank you guys so much for kind of watching her grow since she was like a little baby all the way till now. She's right now currently, as I'm editing this video, she's 3 years old and she's developed so much further from this 2-year-old video. It's amazing. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. Fist bump!
Strawberry finger. Oh, I have